Here's the brutal truth. Most guys ruin their chances in the first 7 seconds of meeting a woman. Not 7 days, not 7 dates, 7 seconds. She's already decided if you're a potential partner or just another guy she'll forget. She won't tell you why, but today I will. Stay locked in, because the final 2 secrets will flip your approach to dating upside down. How many times have you walked away from a date, confused why she went cold or said she didn't feel a spark? You replay the conversation, but most women make up their mind about you long before you even order your coffee. If you've struggled with rejection, you're not broken. You've just been blind to the psychology of first impressions. By the end of this video, you'll know how to shift the dynamic for instant respect, presence, and attraction. Trust me, the last 2 steps will completely change how you see dating forever. A guy walks into a party, spots a girl, and works up the courage to approach her. He cracks a joke, asks questions, buys her a drink. She smiles politely, but her eyes drift. By the end of the night, she's gone. It wasn't his joke or the drink. It was his first impression. His nervous energy, darting eyes, and posture. She picked up on it instantly. No words could erase that initial judgment. He thought she wasn't interested, but her brain had already filed him under forgettable. This is where most men fail. Secret 1. Your body speaks before you do. A woman reads your body language before you say a single word. If she pulls back or checks her phone, your posture told her you weren't confident. Human skin-body alignment for safety and dominance. Shoulders forward, head down equals insecure. Relaxed shoulders, upright stance equals magnetic presence. Walk in with open posture, controlled pace, and steady eye contact. Make her feel like you belong without saying a word. But even perfect body language won't save you if you make mistake number 2. Secret 2. The halo effect. Her brain exaggerates your flaws or your strengths in the first 30 seconds. If your energy screams nervous, she thinks you're boring, insecure, maybe even unreliable. This is the halo effect. Your first impression colors everything else she perceives about you. Stack the deck in your favor. Groom well, dress clean, speak with clarity. Remove distractions that could kill your first impression. But what if I told you it's not about what you show, but what you withhold? Secret 3. Mystery creates magnetism. Most guys lose her interest by oversharing in the first 10 minutes. You think being an open book builds connection, but it smothers curiosity. Attraction thrives on tension. Revealing everything instantly kills the suspense her brain craves. Answer her questions, but leave space. Share just enough for her to lean in wanting more. But don't confuse mystery with being cold. Secret number 4 reveals why warmth matters more than you think. Secret 4. Emotional mirroring. She decides how she feels about you by how you make her feel about herself. If your vibe makes her feel judged, pressured, or invisible, you're done no matter how nice you are. We like people who reflect our best selves back at us. It's emotional mirroring. Listen actively. Validate her emotions. Echo her excitement. Make her feel seen without overpraising. But none of this will matter if you fail the unspoken test in secret number 5. Secret 5. The subconscious test. Every woman tests you in the first interaction, and most men fail without realizing it. She teases you, interrupts you, or goes quiet. You panic, overcompensate, or backtrack. This isn't rejection. It's a subconscious test of your frame. Can you stay centered when challenged? Smile, stay calm, lean back. Pass her test by showing you're unshakable. If you think that's powerful, wait until you hear secret number 6. This one flips attraction on its head. Secret 6. The self-respect rule. The most attractive thing you can do in a first impression is not chase her at all. Most men lean forward, seek approval, and kill attraction before it even builds. Respect isn't given to the man who seeks it, it's given to the man who already owns it. Set your frame. If she's engaged, great. If not, you still win because your self-respect isn't negotiable. This is where everything changes. The real secret behind first impressions isn't about her at all. First impressions aren't about lines or looks. They're about your energy. The way you carry yourself tells her everything. If you respect yourself, if you're comfortable in your skin, if you're a man worth remembering. Women don't fall for words. They fall for presence. And presence starts the second you walk in the room. Now you know the psychology behind first impressions, the unspoken signs that build or destroy attraction. Which of these secrets hit home for you the most? Was it the halo effect? The subconscious test? Drop your thoughts below. I read every single comment. If this video opened your eyes, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who keeps getting ghosted. Don't miss my next video, where I'll show you the one subtle habit that makes women chase you.